and Brass Festival. This event is to promote the significance of bronze sculpture in Sydney, made all the more resonant through the majesty of brass. Bronze sculpture once stood as the major general of our art world. Along a similar line, brass bands used to be the feature of every town, playing in parks each weekend. Now they bespeckle the odd parade or solemn ceremony. This event celebrates these two mislaid anchors of civilization, bronze and brass, the long forgotten but not lost heavy cavalry of the avant-garde. Amidst our contemporary art world, engrossed by the transience of change, this festival acknowledges that which resists, the static, the inert, the steadfast. Presented by the Big Questions Institute of the University of New South Wales, this is an event that takes us forward to embrace the questions of the future by grounding us in what is established. If you want to be original, go back to your origins. Bronze and Brass is an event that takes us to a place of connectivity, to connect to the central charge of our existence, so we may surge towards something meaningful and consequential. It's time to take a new breath, to draw what is new deep down into our cultural diaphragm and blast out something symphonic with gravitas. Come and take a walk at the Sydney Bronze and Brass Festival.